Book-Belong Pikinini opened its 17th library nationwide in Alatau last week. The occasion, staged at Lelehoa Primary School, saw the handing over ceremony from the Alatau Open MP and Minister for National Planning, Charles Abel, to the co-founder of Book-Belong Pikinini and Sophie Herman, who attended the occasion in person. Priscilla Waikaidi reports from Alatau.
It's the second Book-Belong Pikinini library opened in Alatau, the 17th nationwide. And co-founder Sophie Herman was in Alatau to personally witness the official opening of the facility located on the premises of the Lelehoa Primary School outside Alatau.
And I believe that libraries should be a universal right for all children. It's the enjoyment, it's that joy of learning that comes out from having access to books in your own time.
She says since they began in 2008 to establish these libraries, it's been proven children do far better when they head into formal education classes after Book-Belong Pikinini. The community there welcomes this initiative.
We are so happy to see this first kind of this program happening in the school, Lelehoa Primary School. Oh, it's a privilege. You know, in this school, unlike maybe other schools yet to have this, the library. For us here, we are just so privileged to have this.
This library, under partnership with the Alatau district, will see some 3,000 plus books in store when fully operational.
On behalf of all of us, and on behalf of the national government, as the planning minister, I want to say thank you, and Sophie, to you and all your dedicated staff and team for committing and coming up with this wonderful project of libraries.
He presented 52,000 kina as initial support to get the facility up and running. This will continue over the years. The first library for Alatau was put up by Nawai Construction Company a few years back and is fully funded by the company still. Priscilla Waikaidi, NBC National News, Alatau.